Hello everyone, it's Songling here. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I am showing you how to make milk tea. As I mentioned in a previous video, I love milk tea and I want to drink it every day. But bubble tea shops in my city are just getting way too expensive, and that's why I wanted to see if I can make it at home. After 1 month of trial and error and emptying half of my tea pantry, I present to you my ultimate milk tea recipe. First, let's bring 350 milliliter of water to a boil. I used metric system for this recipe because, actually, I don't know why I did that. So for those of you in the States, you can find the conversion in the description box. Once water starts to boil, add in 5 to 10 grams of tea depending on how strong of a tea flavor you would like. Turn the heat down to medium-low and let it simmer undisturbed for 5 minutes. I tested different types of tea for this recipe and black tea in general works best. My favorite one to use is Orange Pekoe, and Earl Grey would be another great option. Also, many bubble tea shops say that they do not use water for their milk tea. I tested that multiple times and it didn't quite work out. The strong viscosity of milk makes it very hard for tea flavor to show through, so unless you're using something really strong like chai, I'd recommend brewing the tea in water first and add the milk later. When your timer goes off, add in the milk and give it a quick stir. Keep the milk tea on medium-low for just 1 more minute and turn off the heat right away. We just want the milk to be warm, not boiling. Also, if you would like to add any sweetener, this would be the time. I used a delicious and easy to make caramel sauce, and I'll link that recipe video down below. Now pour the milk tea into a serving pitcher or a cup through a strainer and enjoy! I have fallen in love with making milk tea at home because for one, it's delicious and inexpensive. Also, I know it's made with fresh milk and good quality tea. And guess what? I actually can drink this every day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Also, subscribe if you haven't. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!